As an experimenter, you either need to keep up or risk getting left behind. To ensure you stay relevant, here are the top 7 experimentation job opportunities that will keep you at the optimized edge. With the rapid adoption of AI technologies, the way search, browsing, and the overall web has worked up till now is shifting right before our very eyes. As an experimenter, you either need to keep up or risk getting left behind. To ensure you stay relevant, here are the top 7 experimentation job opportunities that will keep you at the optimized edge. Hi, I'm Deborah O'Malley, a top A/B testing influencer and leading women's CRO specialist. I founded the go-to A/B test case study resource, GuessTheTest, and I've been in the field for over a decade, so I've certainly seen a lot of changes. But nothing compares to what's happening now with AI and AI technologies that risk taking away our jobs. In fact, according to this chart, job growth is going to be severely disrupted. While 170 million jobs are expected to be created, 92 million of those jobs are expected to be lost. So you most definitely want to be in this little area here where you're part of job creation, not job loss. Now, AI is creating a huge opportunity, but only if you pivot properly. So how can you pivot properly and what can you do? Well, here are the top 7 jobs that I recommend you consider transitioning into as we see AI technologies slowly infiltrate into the experimentation world. The first is becoming an AI agent manager. And in fact, according to...
My name is Romo Santiago, founder of Experiment Nation. Our new book, Prove It or Lose It, the mostly no-nonsense guide to surviving experimentation program drama, is out now. Find it at experimentnation.com and all major bookstores today.
Alex Wong, the founder of Scale AI, in the next 5 years, people actually aren't going to be out of work. Instead, they're going to be responsible for overseeing groups of AI employees. So it's almost going to be like you could be promoted to being a manager, but you're not going to be overseeing employees. You're going to be overseeing AI agents and managing them. So our jobs are likely to become ensuring the accuracy and the strategic alignment of AI agents. So that's one career opportunity you can position yourself for. If that's not up your alley, that's all right. Maybe you'd rather be an AI conversion copywriter or editor. So right now, lots of people are using AI tools to help us write copy, LinkedIn posts, even presentations like this. But AI is not doing a great job right now anyway of creating the copy for us. And yet, according to Inc.com, 73% of employers value strong writing skills above anything else. So if you can really be a good copywriter and actually know what you're doing, make sure you know how to edit out those M dashes and all those things that AI tools input into your writing, then you can outsmart the system and become an AI editor, making sure that you know how to use grammar, spelling, and punctuation to make the AI writing shine and actually better than any output AI could give you. So a talented AI editor is going to really bridge the gap between raw AI outputs and human storytelling so that your message not only converts, but it also connects. If copy isn't your thing, maybe you'd rather become a human-centered UX researcher. As we go towards an AI-driven world, we're going to see less and less human output. But one of the things, at least right now, that AI is not great at is connecting with our raw human emotion, understanding human intuition. We still, as humans, have the Midas touch. We understand each other, we can be empathetic, and that actually might be our greatest skill moving forward. So as we evolve, taking a human-centered approach to understanding how websites will work, how people are searching, browsing, using the web, at least in the interim, while people still are using web before AI agents take over everything, being a human-centered researcher may be a crucial role that you'll play between bridging technology and humanity. And you're going to be using your feelings, your gut instincts, storytelling, emotions to be able to really tap into understanding your audience, which for right now is humans. Now that may change, but for right now, a human-centered approach will be a really strong suit for you. And if you can focus on UX research within that approach, you may still be able to keep your job as we transition. Another possibility is to become a structured data specialist. As the web changes, as search and browsing start to become more agentic and AI driven, agents don't look at the web the same way people do. It's all about structured data put in a very, very specific information architecture using JSON, using tagging frameworks. And if you have the technical know-how, you'll be able to create structured data, maintain integrity, and ensure clean, organized data sets for accurate analysis and optimization. So you may be in a great position to, rather than be coding front-end or back-end websites, to be doing structured data. That's definitely a career path that I see flourishing in the future. And again, if you have that technical know-how, you're going to be great at it. If that's not something that interests you, perhaps you'd be interested in data security. There's so many questions out there right now about what's happening with our data, where all this information that we're feeding GPTs and LLMs is going, and how that data is going to be used. There's undoubtedly going to be need for people who ensure privacy, ensure that data tracking is legit, and make sure that there's ethical, compliant solutions to data collection. So if you're in the experimentation world and you've been worried about cookies, cookies are now small potatoes. It's all going to be about data security for AI. And if you're interested in that and helping ensure regulatory compliance, you undoubtedly will have a job in the future. Now, that job may not be simple, but you will have a job in the future. Alternatively, you may decide that you want to become an AI experimentation trainer and focus on helping other people learn the tools and the technologies to leverage AI and to be able to understand how to use AI in the most optimal way. That's certainly something that I aim to do, and that's part of the reason why I'm giving this presentation to you today, to help you understand how to leverage AI tools and technologies in a way that's going to be streamlined and easy and parse out all the abundance of information out there. I spend hours upon hours going through newsletters, and by the time I read through some of them on the weekend, the information is already out of date from just a couple days ago. So it's a very fast-paced kind of treadmill that you have to be on right now. But if you're interested in doing that kind of thing, you'll undoubtedly have a job helping other people learn AI tools and technologies. And if that's not your thing, then maybe you'll be interested in becoming an AI behavioral analyst. Really, still today, understanding human behavior is at the heart of experimentation. You have to know your audience, know what motivates them to convert, and really be able to present that to them in a compelling way. Computers still can't do that very well, and although AI is evolving very quickly and rapidly, it's likely that humans are going to have the advantage for a very long time. So understanding human behavior, presenting it, and then framing it for AI technologies could be a really powerful position for you to be in. If you combine human intuition with AI-driven insights, you may end up playing a crucial role in refining experimentation strategies and driving optimized experiences for people. So that is potentially a role for you to get yourself involved in. So while the picture looks grim, and there's certainly going to be a huge amount of job attrition with over 92 million jobs expected to be lost, you can position yourself in this area here and be part of the 170 million growth of jobs that are available. So I hope this presentation has been helpful for you in leading you into areas that you can focus on to ensure you stay relevant as an experimenter. I love helping people in experimentation, in A/B testing, and in fueling your revenue growth and your AI data-driven optimization. So if you'd like more content like this, you'd like to get to know me a little bit more, or you want to follow Guess the Test and A/B testing, please get in touch. I'm on LinkedIn at Deborah O'Malley, and you can also check out my website, Guess the Test. Hope this has been valuable for you, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much. Bye.
My name is Romo Santiago, founder of Experiment Nation. Our new book, Prove It or Lose It, the mostly no-nonsense guide to surviving experimentation program drama, is out now. Find it at experimentnation.com and all major bookstores today.